Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another quick video. First of all, thanks for all your support for the complete projects course I had posted in the past few weeks. Recently I had announced a challenge. I thank all those who have participated. I'm going through your responses one by one. So probably sometime in the next couple of weeks, I'll announce the lucky winners on LinkedIn. You can stay tuned for more such contests in the future. Probably once in 2 months, I want to conduct something like this so I can also reward your knowledge. Additionally, I was reading through the comment section and I got some requests from LinkedIn audience as well that similar to what I posted for Python, SQL, Excel, and Google Looker Studio, it would be great if I could post something around Power BI. So I thought about it and I felt that Power BI is also very much in demand tool in the market. So similar to the old projects course that I have posted, there will be one project on Power BI I will be posting very soon. I'll also be posting a separate video on how you can install Power BI in your laptop because it needs installation usually. So stay tuned for that video. Additionally, in the coming future, we will also add some projects around the AI space, bring back our web scraping projects, which used to be one of the favorites in the channel. Stay tuned for all such interesting videos. Continue supporting me. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification for immediate updates. I hope to see you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.